Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to follow someone on X, formerly Twitter. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to X, open the app and go to the profile of the person that you want to follow. You can search for him in the search bar, or you can just, if you see anyone on your feed, you have just to click on his name or his picture. And as you can see on the top right of the screen, there is follow icon. You have just to click on it. And like that, you are following this person. And for some accounts, X will give you some suggested follows, like some other accounts with a lot of things in common with that account. And if you want to follow them, you have just to click on follow all and you will follow all those accounts. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.